Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Pro for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 14 Pro is not here at Verizon Prepaid. So 3 colors are currently in stock as of this video recording. The blue iPhone 14 Pro is not in stock as of right now, and the only storage options available as of this video recording is 256 gigs or 1 terabyte of storage. Also, to keep that in mind, hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, all storage options will be available to be purchased. So yeah, the 128 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro, $999.99. 256 gigabyte iPhone 14 Pro, $1099.99. 512 gigs, $1299.99. Then 1 terabyte, $1499.99. Alright, so there's the iPhone 14 Pro. It looks like the iPhone 13 Pro from last year, but you guys will notice that instead of it having a notch, it has a pill-shaped cutout there for the dynamic island feature, which is pretty cool in my personal opinion. So you guys have the front there. Right side has your power button, left side has your volume keys and your alert switch. On the back is your triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo and whatnot. So yeah, there's the front. Right side, the power button. There's a closer look at the cameras there, very nice. There it is, front and back. And there it is in the different color options. I believe this is gold and probably purple. It's kind of hard to tell. It looks like it's like the same color, but it's not. So it's kind of hard to tell. But it's 4 different colors. And there's the MagSafe accessories like for wireless charging and stuff like that. And now there's the front and back again. Alright. So the iPhone 14 Pro has 20 hours of video, 20 hours of usage time. Okay, 48 megapixel camera. That's the main camera. Y'all guys have a 24 millimeter f1.78 aperture, second generation sensor, shift optical image stabilization, 7 element lens, 100% focus pixel camera. Like I said, 48 megapixel main camera, 2.81 inches width, 5.81 inches height there. Says here, iPhone 14 Pro capture incredible detail with a 48 megapixel main camera. Experience iPhone in a whole new way with dynamic island and always on display, and get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Beauty that's built to last. Always on display, the info you want at a glance. Surgical grade stainless steel, water and dust resistance, ceramic shield, tougher than any smartphone glass. Meet the reimagined face of iPhone. Dynamic island doubles up music, sports scores, FaceTime, and so much more. All without taking you away from what you are doing. Vital safety features. Hopefully, vital safety features you will hopefully never need, but if you do need them, it's there. So that's a great feature. So it says here, emergency SOS via satellite lets you text with emergency services when you're off the grid. With crash detection, iPhone 14 Pro can detect a severe car crash and call 911 when you can't. The Pro camera system gets massively more pro. 48 megapixel main camera with an advanced quad pixel sensor, up to 4 times the resolution for jaws cropping, much more detail and much less light. Hollywood features for your films. Cinematic modes starring 4K HDR at 24 frames per second is the Cinematic mode starring 4K HDR at 24 frames per second. The film industry standard. Action mode takes smooth and handheld videos, no gimbal required. Super fast, super efficient. A16 Bionic chip. A16 Bionic, the ultimate smartphone chip. Faster 6-core CPU. Handles demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently. Advanced ISP powers the creative flexibility of the quad pixel sensor. Up to 23 hours of video playback on iPhone 14 Pro. Specs: has Wi-Fi, has 5G nationwide, 5G ultra wideband. Of course, it's a bold device which works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. Global and roaming network. It does have 4G. Usage time 20 hours. Stream audio playback 75 hours. Resolution 2556 by 1179 pixels at 460 ppi, 6.1 inch display. Rear camera 24 millimeter f1.78 aperture, second generation sensor shift, optical image stabilization, 7-element lens, 100% focus pixels, 6.1 inches diagonal all-screen OLED. It's Super Retina XDR, 48 megapixel main camera, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, up to 23 hours of video playback. Colors: space black, silver, gold, and deep purple color options. Depth 0.31 inches, height 5.81 inches. The weight of the iPhone 14 Pro is 7.27 ounces. The width 2.81 inches. And it has iOS 16, of course, and 4 storage options, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. If you guys need help with your iPhone 14 Pro, Verizon has you covered with device support here. It says Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your standard stuff for the iPhone. Y'all guys get the iPhone 14 Pro with iOS 16, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. And that is it. There is no charging brick in the box. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Pro is not here at Verizon Prepaid. The 256 gigabyte and 1 terabyte options are in stock as of right now. So keep that in mind. You got 3 colors available right now: gold, space black, deep purple, and the silver iPhone is currently not in stock right now. So yeah, if you guys want the new iPhone with the dynamic island feature, which I think is really cool in my personal opinion, check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.